We've built our beautiful website. We've created a sign-up form, and it's fully responsive, but it's just on our computers. Let's actually put this online, on the internet, so anybody can access it. And I'm going to show you one way to do it for free. It'll take a bit of setup, but this way you'll have a website that is out there and you can showcase it to your friends. So to get started, I'm going to suggest that you go to github.com and you're going to create an account. And when we get to the GitHub and Git section, we're going to talk more about this, but GitHub is a platform for developers to showcase their work, but also put all their code and make sure that it's saved in a location. You can think of it as a resume for developers. So any developer that I know has a GitHub account, so create your own as well. It's completely free and it'll allow us to put our website online for free. So sign up now, and then I'm going to go back to my GitHub where I'm already signed in. And right here, once you're signed in, you'll get to this page and it'll say start a project. So I want you to click on start a project. And here, this is really important. You need to put the name that you have, your username of GitHub first, and then put period github.io. So you have to name your repository, so you can think of this as project name. And then you can click on Create Repository. You'll get this screen and it'll look very, very confusing. Don't worry, we don't need to worry about it. We're going to have to use the Setup in Desktop button. In order to do that, we need to download GitHub Desktop Client. So you can easily do that by downloading GitHub Desktop. There's for Mac, for Windows, whichever one you need. You can download. Once that's downloaded, let's open it up. And you can see here we have GitHub Desktop. I'm going to double click to open it. You'll get this pop-up, but you can just open. And once you have this, you can click on Clone Repository. And you will have to sign in to GitHub. So this needs to know what your account is on github.com. So I'm just going to click sign in. And again, you can sign in with your own credentials here. And there you go. We should be all signed in. The next step is we're going to click on something called Clone a Repository. So we're going to click on that and we're going to search for the repository we just created. So if you remember your username.github.io, and because it's signed in to your account, it knows where to find it. So from here, I'm going to click Clone. And it did a whole bunch of magic behind the scenes. Don't worry about it for now. Now, you want to open this repository in Finder. And it's going to open up your folder with your name on it. And in there, I just want you to copy and paste the 3 files that you have, your index, your style sheet, and your header. If you have any other files for your website, just keep them all in there. Just a reminder to take it out of the folder. There you have it. I don't want to delete that, so I'm going to copy that back. Okay. And once you have that there, close it. And now you'll see that you have these 3 files that you've just added. All we need to do now is just write a summary of this. So uploading website, and then commit to master. You'll need to add a summary in here, otherwise it won't let you click. You click on that, and again, something happened, some magic, but if you click on the history tab, you'll see that your files are still there. And the final thing you're going to do is click this Publish Branch button. If you click on this, it's doing a whole bunch of work behind the scenes, and it looks like it's done. Now here's the cool part. Let's go back to our website. And remember this screen? Well, now, if I refresh, I have my files in there. So now this location is referencing these files. And guess what? Your website's actually online. Don't believe me? Well, let's check out. All we need to do is go to this link, type it into the bar, press enter, and there you go. We have our website online. So now our beautiful website, our startup page, works, and people can sign up for our mailing list and check out our startup. Isn't that cool? We're going to be learning more about GitHub and Git later on in the course, and there's a special section just for it because it's a very important tool. But I wanted you to put your website online so you can show it off to your friends and family and let them know that you're going to be a pretty good developer. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.